Every corner of our planet has surreal places that remain shrouded in mystery. So if you're eager to discover some new and bizarre wonders, we have the perfect list for you. Crooked Forest, Poland. This forest in a small corner of western Poland is filled with hundreds of oddly shaped pine trees. The trees were planted in the 1930s, but no one really knows what made the trees curve the way they do, though humans probably have something to do with it. Easter Island, Chile. A small remote volcanic island in the Pacific Ocean, Easter Island is known for its giant monolithic statues that were created over 900 years ago by the Rapa Nui civilization to pay tribute to their ancestors. No one knows how they managed to move these absolutely mammoth blocks of stones around the island. Stonehenge, UK. Another mysterious stone structure is Stonehenge in Wiltshire. Dating back to 3000 BC, the ring of 30-foot tall standing stones is still the topic of mystery and debate today. We don't really know what it was used for, though most people believe it had something to do with religion. Rakottsbruck, Germany. Located in Kromlau Park, the Rakottsbruck looks like something out of the Lord of the Rings. Constructed from basalt boulders, this stunning bridge spans a tree-lined lake, and on clear days, its reflection in the water creates a perfect circle. Nazca Geoglyphs, Peru. Also known as the Nazca Lines, these pre-Columbian geoglyphs can be seen in southern Peru and are amongst the most mysterious prehistoric remains in the world. The figures, including a spider and a hummingbird, are etched into the desert sand by the ancient Nazca people. Fairy Circles, Namibia. The grasslands of the Namib Desert are home to a mysterious natural phenomenon. Barren patches of land, called fairy circles, are created amidst the vegetation. The cause of these circles is a puzzle and may have been created by sand termites or perhaps by drought. The Bermuda Triangle. Perhaps the most famous mysterious place in the world. The Bermuda Triangle is a vaguely triangular section of the Atlantic Ocean where many strange disappearances and bizarre natural occurrences have taken place. Area 51, USA. Area 51 in the state of Nevada is the world's most secretive airport and a magnet for conspiracy theorists. If you believe these theories, this highly classified United States Air Force facility has been the subject of UFO sightings, spy planes, and wild government experiments. While it has become a bizarre tourist attraction, you can only tour the desolate surroundings, as entering the base is strictly forbidden. Blood Falls, Antarctica. Finally, in one of the coldest and driest places in the world, you will find a truly strange blood-red waterfall that slowly trickles down an icy white surface. The red color may come from iron oxidizing with the saltwater pool buried beneath Taylor Glacier. The site looks like something from another planet. Which of these mysterious places would you like to see? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and do tell us in the comment section about your experience.